In this video, I want to show you the location of the module that operates the power steering of your Toyota Yaris. It's right over here. To remove it, to have access to it, you have to remove the top part of the dash. There will be a screw in the cup holder that opens, and then you'll need to remove the center bezel, this thing. To remove it, you'll need first to unclip these on each side with a flathead screwdriver, something very thin. Everything is held by clips here. Remove the top bezel of the cluster. Then you'll be able to pull this out. There will be a screw right over there where you'll have another screw there, and then you can remove or keep in place the speedometer. You'll have to remove the 2 Phillips screw of the speedometer, and then you may have to remove the A pillar as well. Again, just unclip it, and then you'll be able to lift the whole front dash this way to have access. Now to remove this one, it's held by 2 bolts. You see one of them is there, and there's another one where my finger is currently pointing. These are, I think, 11 or 12 millimeter bolts. They are not 10 millimeters. So once you remove them, you'll be able to lift this and replace it. Comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.